I'm tested positive and I've been quarantined. There is nothing to worry, my friends. I've tested myself being mentally positive during these difficult times of Corona, and I've self-quarantined myself from all the negativities happening around me. Friends, you must be wondering why I'm recording this video in a black and white mode. It is not just symbolic of what exactly we are going through. There is a message in it. We are all addicted to the colorful life. Colorful in every sense, materialistic or non-materialistic. Don't you think it is utter nonsense if we start expecting the same colorful life in these difficult times, and to get it, we are investing all our energy and emotions to extract every possible color from the dark situation like this? Difficult to comprehend? Let me narrate a story. There was a typical South Indian upper middle class family comprising of 4, mom, dad and the 2 kids. All of them are great foodies. And the mom was the best cook. At least one meal per day had the complete full-fledged South Indian buffet menu. It had pickle, it has multiple dessert, it has sabjis, it has chapati, curry, rice, sambar, rasam, curd rice, everything. They used to enjoy the meal every day. But the days went by and the mom started limiting the meals to a very limited menu option. This literally made the kids very furious. They started complaining. Rather, they started fighting the mom, telling that you are ignoring us, you don't love us anymore. But the actual situation was, the country was going through a very severe flood, and all the agricultural produce was washed away in the severe flood. There was a greater scarcity of the pulses and vegetables throughout the country. So what do you think? Mom should have concentrated on preparing a full-fledged meal even during the difficult times, or to spread that vegetables and pulses which was utilized in one meal for 4 or 5 days? And you have the answer within yourself. Yes, for that mom, the objective was not to maintain the great menu, but the objective was to feed the family with the sufficient nutrients so that the whole family has sufficient energy to go through the situation. And the mom is nothing but the situation or the life that we are having. And we are just behaving like those 2 kids who keep complaining about life. And most of them, they don't even know what they're getting depressed about. It's all because the plans that got toppled. In 2020, every one of us had organized schedules and plans to elevate ourselves both in our professional and personal domain. But the situations are not same. Friends, do you know the greatest feature of human beings is our adaptability to the situations. In the course of our evolution, we have always adapted ourselves so that we increase our chances of survival. Yes, I'm talking about the conflict between thriving and surviving. This is not the time to thrive, this is the time to survive. Don't keep on complaining that we are not able to thrive. This is not at all the phase of our life that we should think about thriving. It is the time for us to survive. If we survive today, we are going to thrive tomorrow. We are going to thrive tomorrow in the greatest way. So conserve all your emotions. Refocus yourself on survival. You know what is the best way to get rid of the friction? We are going through a friction. The best way to get rid of the friction is going through the friction. So let us live peacefully. Let us live peacefully to see the tomorrow. So what is necessary that needs to be done now? Let us avoid unnecessary anxiety by thinking about the past and the consequence, there may not be a future for you. So let us worry about the future. Let us concentrate on how future should be led, and let us live in the present situation. All the very best, because there are so many more situations that may come in 2020, and we shall survive. We shall survive to have a best future in the coming years. Thank you. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want to give your feedback, please do comment in the comment box. Any queries will be well received. And I'm extremely curious to know what are the other topics that you want me to talk about. See you soon.